All right, contestant 2 gets over. Can we please call contestant 3 on stage?
Pranshu Sethi from ACS Magnolia Marti Public School. I'm studying in 6th B.
Pranshu, are you ready for this one?
Yes, sir.
Your first word for today is license.
License.
That's right. Embezzle.
Embezzle.
That's right. Endeavor.
Endeavour.
That's right. Hygiene.
Hygiene.
That's right. Adjacent.
Adjacent.
That's right. Beautifully.
Beautifully.
That's right. Unwarranted.
Unwarranted.
That's right. Inauspicious.
Inauspicious.
Brilliant. Vaccinate.
Vaccinate.
Wonderful. Brilliance.
Brilliance.
That's right. Carriage.
Carriage.
Witticism.
Witticism.
That's right. Woeful.
Can you repeat that?
Woeful.
Wowfulled.
That's wrong. Unanimous.
Unanimous.
That's brilliantly done, my friend Pranshu. You've got a count on your numbers?
No.
Take a guess.
14.
I wish you could have got to 14. You were one short. You had 13 right answers. Very, very well done. A staggering 13 right answers for category 3 is awesome. We move on to category 4, and may I please call upon our first contestant in category 4, please.
My name is Chinmay Bhatt and I study in 8A, Bethany High, Sarjapur.
Chinmay, how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Okay, Chinmay, I hope you have a wonderful day today, and I'm hoping that you really crack as many words as possible. Are you ready for the tiebreak, for the rapid fire?
Yeah.
All right, the rapid fire gets started. Your first word is besiege.
Besiege.
That's right. Denunciation.
Denunciation.
That's right. Effluent.
Effluent.
That's right. Monosyllable.
Monosyllable.
That's right. Nitrogenous.
Nitrogenous.
That's right. Poignancy.
Can you repeat?
Poignancy.
Poignancy.
That's right. Aberration.
Abberration.
That's wrong. Rhetorically.
Retarcily.
That's wrong. Supersede.
Supersede.
That's right. Perilous.
Perelous.
That's wrong. Commemorate.
Commerate.
That's wrong, Chinmay. I wish you had finished off on a high, but that's okay. You've got 7 right answers. You've made yourself proud. Well done. Well tried. Thank you so much. I did tell you that the action is going to get tougher and the action is going to get much more heated up. It is getting heated up as we move on to the last category, and the first contestant finished her rounds. May I please call upon our second contestant on stage, please?
Hello everyone, I'm Siri Chandana from 8th Standard, PS Public School, Shimoga.
Chandana, all the way from Shimoga. How did you prepare the last few weeks?
I've been looking at the book.
You've been looking at the book. I want you to be loud. I want you to keep the mic closer to your mouth as well so that everybody can hear what you're saying. Are you ready for this one?
Yes.
Okay, Chandana. Timer, please. Your first word on this rapid fire is neighborly.
Neigbourly.
That's right. Potentiality.
Potentiality.
That's right. Compliance.
Compliance.
That's right. Commitment.
Commitment.
That's right. Perpetuity.
Perpetuity.
That's right. Expedient.
Can you repeat?
Expedient.
Expedient.
That's wrong. Embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
That's right. Interference.
Interference.
That's right. Procrastination.
Procrastination. T-I-N-A-T-I-O-N.
That's brilliantly done, Chandana. You're signing off on a high for sure. That's very well done. You've got 8 right answers in this round and really, really well done. Put your hands together for Chandana. Well tried. She held her nerve on the last one. The last one was a tricky one. She had to finish it off and then she finished off on a high. Very, very well done. It boils down to our last contestant and the action has been quite exemplary and I'm sure she'll sign off on a high as well. May I please call upon our last contestant?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sunaina, and I'm in 8th grade at Oak Ridge International School.
Super cool. Sunaina, are you ready for your rapid fire?
Yes.
Can we have a timer, please? Your first word is legitimately.
Legitimately.
That's right. Stethoscope.
Stethoscope.
That's wrong. Dissuade.
Dissuade.
That's right. Brilliance.
Brilliance.
That's right. Blossoming.
Blossoming.
That's right. Phenomenon.
Phonmally.
That's wrong. Resilience.
Please repeat.
Resilience.
Resilience.
That's right. Transcend.
Transcend.
Pronouncement.
Pronouncement.
That's right. Routinely.
Routinely.
That's right. Pessimism.
Pessism.
That's wrong. We're going to end on that note and you know what? You've cracked an 8 as well. Congratulations and well done.